Hello, my name is Valencia Perkins. This presentation is called From Pandemic Dips to Steady Climb, Amazon's 5-year stock forecast. It was created for Data 625 at UMGC with Professor Fred. For this project, I chose Amazon because it is a global leader in e commerce and cloud services, and its stock reflects both innovation and validity. The dataset contains 5 years of stock history from 2020 through mid 2025. My motivation was to see how Amazon performed during major events like the pandemic of 2020 and the 2022 tech slowdown, and to explore what Tableau forecasts for the future. Here we see Amazon's quarterly stock price with a forecast into 2026. There was a sharp dip in Q2 of 2020 during the COVID 19 pandemic, followed by a recovery and steady climb through 2024 to 2025. I used Tableau's default forecast method, exponential smoothing. The shaded funnel represents the confidence intervals, which are the upper and lower boundaries Tableau expects the stock price to fall within about 95% of the time. Tableau projects continued growth through 2026 with an average price near $200. My confidence in this forecast is moderate in the short term because the recent upward trend is strong and the interval is relatively narrow, but lower in long term since the funnel widens further out. The story here is clear. Amazon has regained stability and is expected to grow, but all forecasts carry risk. This chart shows trading volume. In 2020, there was a massive spike as investors reacted to the pandemic news. Afterward, activity leveled off. Tableau's forecast suggests volume will remain lower and stable in the coming years. This interaction with background events, high activity in crisis, calming afterwards, shows that Amazon stock has entered a more stable trading pattern. This chart measures validity or the daily difference between the highs and the lows. During 2020 and 2021, validity was extremely high, reflecting uncertainty in the markets. From 2022 onward, validity narrowed, and Tableau forecasts continued moderation into 2026. This suggests steadier trading, which makes Amazon stock more predictable for investors. This bar chart shows annual average prices. In 2022, Amazon dipped during the tech sector slowdown. The average price was $126.10. That slowdown was driven by rising interest rates that hurt growth stocks, cooling demand after the pandemic boom and recession fears. Many tech firms announced layoffs and cost cutting, which signaled weaker growth. By 2023, recovery began, and the 2025 annual average of $212.04 is the highest in 5 years. This shows that while macroeconomic factors hit tech stocks hard in 2022, Amazon bounced back and maintained long term upward momentum. This chart shows the monthly performance of Amazon stock comparing the number of up months versus down months. Looking at the results, the distribution is almost even. Out of all the months in our data set, 49.8% of them were down months, represented here by the blue bar. The orange bar shows that a slightly higher 50.2% were up months. Ultimately, the data shows a nearly perfect balance between positive and negative monthly price changes, with the stock seeing a small number of up months. This visualization makes the long term trend very clear. With 5 years of stock history, Tableau's forecast for Amazon now shows a stronger and more reliable uptrend. The model captures recurring seasonal cycles, giving higher confidence in the short term forecast. Prices are projected to continue climbing while trading volume stabilizes and volatility gradually narrows. Although long term forecasts still carry uncertainty, especially with the unpredictable tech sector, the extended data makes the results more robust than before. Overall, Amazon stock appears positioned for steady growth with moderate to high confidence in near term projections.